Hi folks, it's Jay. It has been a difficult year. But instead of talking about life's frustrations and difficulties, I want to share with you something unimaginable that I discovered while visiting all those gardens, with a preview of my journey where I continue to ask strangers if I can see their gardens. I have always been drawn to Swiss psychologist Carl Jung's construct of the mind. He believed there is no coming to consciousness without pain. One does not become enlightened by imagining the figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. Sometimes life sets us adrift to sail our own bark, where no one else can navigate the course that we have to take. So I choose to face the darkness, embrace the pain, and accept what is destined to become obsolete and desolate. Because I believe only by doing so can I truly see. I have the courage to do so all because of the gardens, because of all the whispers I have heard in those gardens. They give me something beautiful to carry in my heart in those difficult times. My whispers in the garden has become more than a collection of intersecting monologues. It has become a dialogue cultivated from our inner landscapes. I find myself saying things I never knew I knew, describing the world in a way that surprises me. And there are conversations, moments of shared discoveries that continue to sing in my mind long after they have ended. But this project didn't begin as a quest for any profound truths. I simply find joy in seeing every garden, and not for any tangible gains or earthly profits. It is because hidden within those gardens there is something eternal, precious, and timeless, but often too subtle for us to remember or even notice. So for me, to catch even a glimpse of those inner landscapes feels like a superpower, a gift given to me through every encounter by every stranger. It is a superpower for me to see the beauty created by every gardener and share in the happiness they have found. It allows me to live many lives in a single season. So to every stranger, to every gardener who has the heart to share their gardens, including those whose garden I have never had a chance to visit or film, I have nothing but gratitude. Thank you for putting the dream in my reality. To end this prelude on a positive note, I promise to keep asking this question: can I see your garden? Not for anyone else, but for myself. As the great Irish poet John O'Donoghue beautifully said, there is a place in you where you have never been wounded, where there is still sureness in you, where there is a seamlessness in you, and where there is a confidence and tranquility in you. I have found that place in those gardens, and I hope you do too.